Smoothie for weight loss? I had to find out. I tried the viral 21-day smoothie diet challenge that everyone's talking about, and the results shocked me. They claim it melts belly fat, boosts metabolism, and works like a detox. So I replaced my meals with smoothies for 3 straight weeks. No cheat days. Before this, I struggled with late-night cravings, bloating, and stubborn weight that just wouldn't go away. But something changed fast. By day 7, my jeans were looser. By day 14, my energy was insane. And by day 21, just wait till you see the transformation. The plan was simple: 2 smoothies a day made with ingredients like spinach, banana, chia seeds, and protein powder. Sometimes I added apple cider vinegar or matcha for extra fat burn. No fancy supplements, no starving. Just clean, green, delicious smoothies packed with fiber and metabolism-boosting nutrients. Some days I use this belly fat-burning detox smoothie: kale, pineapple, cucumber, and ginger. Literally tastes like spa water, but works. I tracked everything: calories, weight, energy levels, even skin health. The number one thing? These smoothies killed my cravings. No more junk food binges. After 21 days, I lost 11 pounds without stepping foot in a gym. My bloating vanished, my skin cleared up, and I feel better than I have in years. This isn't a scam, it's science. Smoothies keep you full, detox your system, and feed your body real nutrients. Want to try the same smoothie diet I used? Link below for the exact 21-day plan. Hit like if you're curious. Subscribe for my weekly fat loss updates and comment. If you've ever tried a smoothie diet, let's talk results.